Hi and hello, I am Atana Pandit here. So in this video, I am going to say something about what are all the things actually required for the biomedical engineer, those who are searching for the job. Because many things we need to remember. That is the thing I am going to share in this video. Which are all the things we are going to remember? Which are all the things we are going to follow once we are going for the biomedical job? Okay, come let me start the video. Biomedical job. You know something? Biomedical engineering is a common platform, and most importantly, biomedical engineering is the only engineering domain in the healthcare field. Of course, most of the other engineering domain is also they give their contribution to the development of the healthcare, but 100% biomedical engineering is totally contributed only to the department called healthcare. So this thing, during the studies itself, the engineering cadre people should know. See what has happened in the engineering actually. In all over the world, in the engineering domain, almost 40 plus subjects are there. In the first year, we are going for the common papers like physics, chemistry, common English, English 1, like that. Once you are entering into the department, what is the basic things actually required in the second year? You have a basic anatomy, basic pathology, basic physiology, basic biochemistry, basic electronics, all the things. Of course, that are all most important. Everyone studied about that, and theoretically they are know everything, and they are doing some of the practicals also regarding the particular subjects. And once they cross the second year, then they enter into the third year. In the third year, we are going to study some of the subjects like the instrumentation, diagnostic equipments, therapeutical equipments, biomechanics, rehabilitation. So all of these things we are studied in the third year, of course. And then in the final year, we are going to study the image processing, signal processing, medical optics, wearable systems, and then the projects, all these things. Of course, all the 40 subjects in all over the major universities in the world, they follow the extraordinary things because all the subjects are exactly relating to the biomedical engineering. But where we did the mistake is that once you are doing the second year, once you crossed all the subjects what we crossed in the second year, that is biochemistry, anatomy and everything, once you go for the third year, whatever the thing we have studied in the second year, we are just forgotten. We are not going to apply all the things what we studied in the second year once you are entering into the third year. At the same time, once you are entering into the final year also, you are all forgot what we have studied in the third year and what we studied in the second. So 90% of the students, they take the subjects only for clearing the papers, only for getting the percentage. So that is not actually a proper thing. Because most of the biomedical companies, what they are expecting is the particular biomedical engineering student should have at least a minimum quality of know about anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, it may be a pathology, instrumentation, diagnostic equipments, therapeutical equipment, biomechanics, rehabilitation, all these things. So of course you are all studying all these particular subjects during the engineering, but once you are going for the interview, it is not possible to cross all the 45 papers, right? So what is the thing, in my point of view is, whatever the thing you are going to study during the engineering, that particular subject is not only for clearing the paper, clearing the semester. That particular subject is useful for you once you are attend any of the biomedical company interview. Because biomedical company market is vast, my dears. Because almost 1,000 plus biomedical core companies in the world is there. All of the companies, they are manufacturing some of the very good products in the healthcare, especially radiology. So if you are going to study, if you are going to attend any of the interview in the radiology company, they are going to ask some of the anatomy also. They are going to have some of the basic physics of radiations. Biomedical market is not actually an easy one. What is the reason why I am telling that is? Because biomedical companies nowadays, the count of the biomedical companies is increasing. You know, the electrical products manufacturers, electronics products manufacturers, automobile manufacturers, they are start manufacturing medical devices. Because the world is actually required the healthcare support. Each and every human beings in the world require a healthcare support. Even a multi-specialty doctors is also required an equipment support. Please remember, multi-specialty, highly graduated doctors actually require an equipment support. Even a small diagnosis of the abnormal activity we are known to diagnose, doctor need a device. If a major therapeutical treatment need to do, with the doctor's hands can't able to do, the doctors need an equipment support. So that is the reason why I am telling that particular biomedical equipment is much needed thing for each and every multi-specialty hospital and all over the healthcare domain also. So that particular biomedical equipment you are studying. We are studying. So you need to know the importance of the medical devices first of all. So once you know about the depth of the medical devices, because without the medical devices, we are not supposed to save the life of the people. Because the doctors use the equipment, 100% doctor trusting the equipment to diagnose and therapeutic. So you know the depth, how far the medical devices is important in the healthcare. During the second year, during the studies itself, if you know about it, then that makes you and that helps you to improve your confidence, to know about the subjects clearly. So that is the reason why most of the people, even though many of the companies are there in the world, most of the final years, those who are completing the engineering studies, they are struggling to find out the job. The reason is they doesn't know about the market clearly during the studies. At the end of the final year itself, they start knowing about the companies. They start knowing about the biomedical job market, which are all the roles and responsibilities, that kind of a thing. So if you are doing that particular thing, you are struggling to get into place in the tier 1 companies. But if you know about all these details during the second years or third year itself, then that help you to make a path very clearly. You know about biomedical companies, you know about the job market, you know about the roles and responsibilities of every job scopes. Then that makes comfortable for you to which one is suitable for us. Which is our aim? What is the vision of myself? If you want to become an entrepreneur also, it will help you. So that is what I am saying. Even we are studying 45 subjects, including practicals in the engineering. It's not only help to you. Do some of the things practically. If you have projects or maybe theoretical subjects, make the things some of the practical sessions, do some of the seminars. All these things help you to remember all the things. So, apart from these academic related things, you are supposed to get into some of the market studies also. What are all the biomedical companies are there? Which are all the new product FDA approved? Which are all the new companies they are just born better? Which are all the tier 1 companies, top 10 tier 1 companies in the recent years? Which are all the most expensive medical equipments? So all these things, all these kind of the details you should know about it. Through the YouTubes also, because everyone has some of the smartphones nowadays. So go and search some of the things relating to the biomedical in the YouTube, in the Google, everything. Then get a knowledge about it. So that kind of the things actually help you too. So all the students, those who are studying biomedical engineering, many of them are forget to do that. So that is what my request is. If you are doing that, then you are not supposed to struggling to find the job. That is the main thing I need to share in this video. So finally, I would like to say, I would like to quote 3 important points. First thing, you should remember all the subjects what you studied in the engineering. So for that, you need to do some of the things practically. Okay, now practically means that not only do the projects, do some of the videos, do some of the seminars, do some of the volunteer actions to expose yourself to the audience. Okay, through that you can able to remember all the things. First point. Then the second point, universities. I am requesting all the universities, most of the universities they followed, but some of the universities they didn't follow. Do the practical sections, do the project sessions mandatory in every year. Not only in the final year, In the second year also project is mandatory. Third year also project is mandatory. Like that, if you are do that, then the practical experience may improve for the biomedical engineering students. Then the third thing, please include some of the market studying subjects, not only the hospital management. Do some of the biomedical companies related subjects in the second year and third year. Then only the participants can able to know about the market also. If the universities or the managements, they not follow this, you particular students or you particular pursuing biomedical engineering students, get away and get knowing about all these things individually. Okay, that is the thing I need to follow. Follow these three things, then you are not supposed to struggling to find out the job. You can able to get the job once you are completing the final year itself. Thank you very much.